Hi, this is Nathan Tintle. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Predicting Elections from Faces dataset, which is part of the Introduction to Statistical Investigations textbook. Do voters judge candidates based on facial appearance? Researchers had many participants look at two faces and judge which one was more competent looking. The faces were from Senate races and House of Representative races in the United States. The researchers made sure that the participants were not familiar with the faces of the individuals in these races. Each participant was shown the Democrat candidate and then the Republican candidate and asked which face looked more competent, not knowing which one was Democrat and which one was Republican. The researchers showed these faces to many individuals. Based on who the majority of people thought was competent, researchers predicted who would win the election, predicting that the more competent appearing individual would be more likely to win. The null hypothesis in this study is that the method correctly predicts the winner 50% of the time. The alternative hypothesis is that this method will predict the winner correctly more than 50% of the time. In other words, that voters tend to choose the more competent looking individual. In Senate races, researchers correctly predicted 23 out of 32 races, correctly predicting the winner 71.9% of the time. That yields a z-statistic of 2.43 and a p-value of 0.009, strong evidence that the method is correctly predicting the winner more than 50% of the time. For races in the House of Representatives, researchers correctly predicted the outcome of elections in 189 out of 279 cases, a winning percentage of 67.7%. This data yields a standardized statistic of 5.9 with a very small p-value, less than 0.001. We'll use this data to talk about the different parts of a study that impact strength of evidence.